Hello y'all, Wendy with an Eye here, and I showed you in my haul video the Tulip and Iris bulbs I have picked up. It is the next day and I'm going to get them in the ground. Okay, so for those of you that have been following along in my most recent 5-part series from spring 2019, this bird bath is going to look a lot different to you. Okay, after I filmed the haul yesterday, the sun started going down, but I decided to go ahead and dig this out, so I did not film it because I did not have the light, but I have dug down 8 inches around, all around the bird bath, and I've decided this is where I want to test these bulbs to see what happens. Now it is January 26th, so I'm crossing my fingers that they actually bloom. So let's hope for good vibes, and I hope to show you pretty well getting the bulbs in the ground and covering them up. Okay, I went to grab my bulb tone, but I forgot when my husband went to the store for me. They didn't have any, but he picked up this Espoma plant tone for me instead, and this is gonna work just as well. So I'm gonna get that down and mix it in with the soil, and then I'll start placing my bulbs. Okay, they're all in there. All right, so now the next thing we're going to do is cover them back up with the dirt. And then I do have a bag of mulch over there. I think I'm going to go ahead and top this with some mulch. Okay, there we go. All right, I brought out some mussel to put the mulch in here. And that went really quickly. But I think it looks so good with the mulch in it, even though there's nothing flowering right now. Oh, there's my shadow. Okay, and the ground is still super moist, guys, from where it rained a couple of days ago. But I went ahead, there was water still in the bird bath up here, but I went ahead before he put the mulch in and just divvied it out around the little round bed here. So they should have plenty of water, and the mulch should keep that nice and moist. Hopefully, if we actually get a winter, for the rest of winter until spring. So keep the bulbs nice and moist in there. So fingers crossed that we get some action. Send me all your positive vibes and hope that we get a show in a few months. That's it for this little project. Woo, okay, that took me about an hour and a half total to do, even with filming and stopping. So anyway, I'm old, I'm spent, I need a shower, cozy pajamas, and my couch, and probably a nap. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope wherever you are, you're having a wonderful day. Be sweet. And I showed you in my, oh, the wind.